Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid on a Ford Escape. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Make sure the engine is warm and running, with the transmission in neutral or park, depending on your model. Locate your owner's manual for specific instructions on your Ford Escape, as procedures can vary slightly. Have a clean rag ready to wipe the dipstick, and a funnel if you anticipate needing to add fluid. Now, let's find that dipstick. The transmission fluid dipstick is usually located near the back of the engine and is often brightly colored, like red or yellow, to distinguish it from the engine oil dipstick. Carefully pull it out, wipe it completely clean with your rag, and then reinsert it all the way until it seats properly. Pull it out one more time to get your reading. The fluid level should be between the full and add marks. Beyond just the level, the fluid's condition tells a story. Healthy transmission fluid should appear reddish and clear, not dark brown or black. If it smells burnt, that's a sign of potential problems and warrants further inspection by a professional. If the fluid level is low, add the recommended type of transmission fluid slowly, using a funnel to prevent spills. Do not overfill, as this can also cause issues. Regularly checking your transmission fluid is a simple yet crucial maintenance step. Aim to check it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or as recommended in your owner's manual, to catch potential issues early. Always refer to your Ford Escape's manual for the exact type of transmission fluid and capacity. Keeping your transmission fluid at the correct level and in good condition helps ensure the longevity and smooth operation of your vehicle. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.